Hello dear friends, welcome to this session. This session is the last session for chapter 1 of 7th standard, that is the number system. In the previous session we have seen the conversion of decimal to binary and the conversion from binary to decimal. So in this session we are going to cover conversion of octal to decimal and conversion from hexadecimal to decimal. The first example given is 42 and we have to convert it into decimal. Now students, you can see the base over here is 8. It means that this number is in octal format, and here question mark and 10. So you have to find the decimal equivalent of 42. So the procedure is same as conversion from binary to decimal. Only the difference is that we have written 2 power 0 and 2 power 1 while converting the binary numbers into decimal, but here the number is in octal format. That is why we have to write 8 power 0 and 8 power 1. So first step is write the digits separately. 4, 2. Write the powers of 8. 8 power 0, 8 power 1, and put a small plus sign. This is the first step. Now second step, multiplied the power of 8 with the digit. So 4 multiplied by 8 power 1 plus as it is 2 multiplied by 8 power 0 equal to 8 power 1 is 8, that is why 4 multiplied by 8 plus sign as it is 2 multiplied by 8 power 0 is 1. Students, remember that if the power is 0, then the answer is 1. The number can be anything. You can write 8, 9, 10, anything raised to 0. Anything power 0 is 1. And anything power 1 is that number itself. So 4 multiplied by 8 plus 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 4 8s are or 8 4s are 32 plus 2 1s are 2, and 32 plus 2 is 34. Therefore 42 octal is equal to 34 decimal. I hope you understood this example. Similarly, you have to solve A and B. You have to convert 66 into decimal and 83 into decimal. Use the same steps as I have explained. Now let us see how to convert the hexadecimal numbers into the decimal numbers. The example given is 3b, and you can see the base is given 16. 16 means hexadecimal number, and here base is 10. So you have to convert the hexadecimal number 3b into its equivalent decimal. So the first step is, it is similar as the binary, only the difference is that we have to multiply with the base value and the powers increasing from 0 to the increasing order. Now only 1 will be here last. So start the procedure. 3 and b, two digits we have written separately, put a plus symbol and then multiply with its base, that is 16 power 0, and here 16 power 1, increasing order. So 3 multiplied by 16 power 1, okay, plus sign as it is. So b value, students, in hexadecimal system the numbers are like 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to 9, and then after 9 10 is not there in hexadecimal. So instead of 10, a is written and then b and then c. So when you compare this, you will get 11, because a is 10, b is 11, c is 13, sorry 12, c is 12, and then d is 13, like that. So multiplied by 16 power 0, 3 multiplied by 16, because 16 power 1 is 16, plus 11 multiplied by 16 power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 1 is that number itself. So 16 3s are 48 plus 11 1s are 11, and 48 plus 11 is 59. Therefore 3b of hexadecimal is equivalent to 59 of decimal. Dear students, remember, when b is there, don't write and don't multiply with b itself. Okay, you have to multiply with the equivalent value of b. In hexadecimal, b is equivalent to 11, a is equivalent to 10, and c 12, d 13, e 14, and f 15, and the last number is f only. Fine. So in that way you have to solve these two examples. You have to convert 4a of hexadecimal into decimal and 2c of hexadecimal into decimal. In case of any queries or doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you.